Today, I'm going to talk about Mr. Beast and his latest project of giving a sight in 1000 blindness. Mr. Beast is a well-known content creator who is known for his incredible stunts and challenges. But this time, he has taken on a project that goes beyond just entertainment and fun. He's giving back to the community. Mr. Beast has recently announced his latest project, where he is giving sight to 1000 people who are suffering from blindness. This is an incredible project that is truly making a difference in the lives of many people. He has partnered with various organizations and has raised funds to make this project a reality. The process of giving sight to these people involves a surgical procedure that is carried out by trained professionals. The procedure is simple and safe, and the results are life-changing. Mr. Beast's goal is to give sight to 1000 people, and he's well on his way to achieving it. Mr. Beast's latest project is an amazing initiative that is truly making a difference in the lives of many people. It shows that content creators like Mr. Beast have the power to use their platform for good and make a positive impact on society. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Let's show Mr. Beast some love and support for his incredible project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.